E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay. Sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem o like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord, participem aí da Twitch. E o pessoal que estiver visualizando pelo YouTube, meu canal principal é Ronaldo Card Televisão Gameplay. Beleza? E quem quiser também participem aí da comunidade do Discord. Bom, galera, hoje nós vamos continuar aqui as aventuras do Arthur Morgan. No último episódio, a gente tava parando aqui no caso, no, como que eu posso falar? Hoje nós vai começar a missão aqui de ir lá invadir a fazenda lá, da Cabo Carral, a fazenda do Spray, e tacar fogo, né? Se é que me entende, tacar fogo. Porque no último episódio a gente tava caçando o urso lendário, eu lembrei, caçando o urso lendário. E agora a gente vai continuar aqui o prosseguimento do modo história. A gente explorou muito. Vai dar continuidade aqui na nossa acontecimento do jogo. Talvez hoje a gameplay vai ser curta, uma hora e meia. Tenho outros compromissos depois, então eu já vou fazer logo essa missão. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui. É isso aí. Vamos carregar aqui o jogo. Ah, o Arthur aqui, estamos com ele. Amanheceu. Aí o jogo salva automaticamente.
Hello. You're always bumping into someone.
Hello.
Mr. Pierce. Evening, Mr. Morgan.
Evening.
There he is. Oh, hello. Maybe Mike is right about you. Okay, let's hear it. Keep your eyes open. Out here like this.
Vamos ver o que o pessoal tá pra falar aqui no acampamento. Na fogueira.
Ain't no excuse.
Vamos lá.
Well, how are you? You ain't much company, are you? Come on, big fella. Tell us a joke.
Bill Williamson.
Pera aí. Vou dormir mais um dia.
Morning, mister.
Hey, fellas.
You want to join me here, Arthur?
Any trouble at all, Sean, you holler.
Good morning, sir.
Gotta go, boy.
Vamos com esse canalha aí, vamos canalha.
Yep. Whoa!
Vamos para o Rhodes.
Yeah.
Uma fumaça, o que é aquela fumaça?
So,
You made a mistake taking me, but it ain't too late. Let me go, and there's no bad blood.
Quem que é esse pessoal?
No bad blood.
Ah, o saqueador de limões.
There's bad blood between you and us. Maybe more.
Acabamento saqueador de limões. O que tá acontecendo aqui, meu Deus?
deputy.
Look, them raiders blindsided me, tied me up for some kind of ransom, I suppose. Guess that was pay, though, wasn't it? Now, come on.
Nossa, um evento aleatório.
In need of help.
Vou libertar ele.
There you go.
Thank you. God damn these bastards.
Get out of here before any more of them come along.
Okay. There might be some things here if you want them.
Well, guess I'm one of the good guys.
São dos mocinhos, né?
Thanks again.
Ah, um
citizen.
policial. Saqueador de limões pegaram ele. Que legal, esse evento é inédito, hein? É, galera, durante todos esses anos jogando Red Dead, é a primeira vez que eu vejo isso. Esse jogo, mesmo depois de anos, é cheio de surpresa.
Yep.
Ah,
There
pô,
we
matei
go.
um animal aqui.
Easy.
Oh,
Let's go, boy. Yep.
é que tá pra entrar no banco de outros.
Good God, what's the matter with you? Hello there.
Busy day?
Tasks don't complete themselves.
Well, keep at it.
Goodbye.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Ah, o banco
This
de
seems
outros.
like a decent town. Well, good luck to you.
I'll be going.
A estátua de Rhodes.
Long time no see. Have a look. All for sale, except the floorboards.
Now, let me have a look.
Lições, vamos ver aqui.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Que você... Ah, cafeteira, vou comprar uma nova, hein?
Done. Anything else? So long.
Cadê aquele cara que tava procurando?
Nice day, huh?
Yeah, I can stand some more of this.
Gavin, é esse mesmo lá. O cara que tava procurando. Gavin.
Has anyone seen Gavin? Hey, mister. Sir, good morning. Has anyone seen an Englishman called Gavin? I'm looking for my mate Gavin. Somebody help me!
Amigo do Kevin. Olha lá.
Gav? Gav? I've lost my friend. Somebody help me, please. Please, tell me you've seen Gavin. I don't even know what he looks like. Big bloke. Cockney. Londoner.
Ainda tá procurando esse Gavin, é um terceiro ou quarto encontro esse cara.
Oh, we've had such times, me and Gav.
Cara, não pode bem das ideias.
Sorry, I've yet to meet any hilarious Londoners. Oh, he's the best. Gavin!
I am so
Oh, sorry.
worried.
Gav! 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 Where are you?
Where are you?
Come on, pal.
I am so worried.
Nós estamos tão preocupados, Gavin. Vamos fazendo calicarral.
Easy. Whoa.
10h20 da manhã. Tá escrito aqui na fazenda. Deixa eu ver. Gallagher Hall. Mr. Dash Gray. Omner. Passers will be projected. Protegido.
Come on now, boy. Yeah. Hey there, mister.
Hey there.
Ah, colheita de tabaco, né?
Hey there, partner. Morning. Hey, mister.
Morning.
Can I help you?
Well, looks like you boys had some trouble.
Yeah, we had some trouble.
É, tivemos uns problemas bem ruins. O que você quer?
Oh, I was supposed to meet some business partners here. They arranged a meeting.
Meus
I
sócios
believe.
aqui marcaram uma reunião em
Fellow with the
Curitiba.
scar and a Mexican.
Yes, sir.
How
É um
about the steak,
mexicano.
I think?
Thank you. And,
Fala aí,
sorry for
sabe
your
que
trouble,
foi o
friend.
Arthur, né? Que colocou fogo na colheita do plantio de tabaco. Com certo alguns milharal. Alô? Vamos dar uma olhada aqui primeiro. E aí, John? Vamos roubar uns cavalos?
Recklessly burning. Like I said. Had a run bad luck in the West. Lost money in some failed railway speculation. We heard good men can do well in this country.
Sure. And bad men. We haven't recovered as well as I hoped from the war. My family tried.
John e o
My
Xavier.
sons are good boys.
And have you met my partner, Arthur Morgan?
Arthur Morgan.
I met your son.
Conheci o seu filho, o xerife.
Okay.
Ok?
Mr. Gray here was saying how he had
Ele estava dizendo que ele teve problemas com uma família.
a family of degenerates.
Família degenerada.
Nobody
Bom,
likes
ninguém gosta de
degenerates.
Nagging her inbred son.
cujos filhos
They
caipiras
ruined this county.
destruíram esse distrito.
Killed my uncle, you know.
That ain't right.
Problem is we
O problema é
can't
que a
be
gente não
seen
pode
to
ser
get
visto
too
chegando muito
close.
perto.
And
E
We've got gold.
temos um outro Yang.
We've got gold.
Temos
ain't no
Paul.
Yankee friend.
John.
My daddy came over on the boat from Scotland.
I'm Scottish.
In the Braithwaites.
Goddamn peasants.
Muitos camponeses.
I don't know. Mongrels. Slave fuckers. All you gotta do is look at them.
How much gold?
Enough. These are prized
São os
horses.
cavalos premiados. Ouro.
5,000.
5 mil pelos cavalos. 5 mil dólares por cavalos.
Where do we sell them, these $5,000
Cavalos de 5 mil dólares.
Over in Clemens Cove.
Na enseada Creme.
Over there, we'll run them out of state and give you 50 cents on the
Na
dollar.
metade do valor.
Mister, you got your
Conhece vendedores de cavalo. Negócio fechado, senhor.
Just keep
Roubo
us
de
away from
cavalo.
this. Publicly, I mean.
Unicamente,
My
quero
sense is
dizer.
we keep all horse
Acho
racing
melhor
away from
manter todo mundo roubo de cavalo longe.
Go to the stables on the south side of the manor. That's where they keep
Travis
the
Gray.
thoroughbred.
Just wanted to say, it's a pleasure working for your family, Mr. Gray.
Let's get the job done, then we can talk about later.
Sr. Gray. Qual o nome dele? Tafish Gray. Não posso esquecer, Tafish Gray.
On the horse and let's go.
Okay, fella.
A terra tá meio seca aqui. Vamos lá, John Xavier. Vamos pra fazenda Braithwaite. A enseada é Creme lá roubar uns cavalos.
crazy old fool.
If he only knew we just torched his
Ah,
tobacco
tabaco
crop.
dele.
That was you?
The old
Well,
man
they-
was cursing the Braithwaites about that.
Burning rich folks' property? Sean was like a
Parece
pig in shit.
I'm
Ah,
sure. 5,000 for horses. They must be rich.
Yeah, he
é,
doesn't know what he's talking about. But, get even a third of that, it'll be worth it.
terço disso vai valer a pena. Ah, sim.
So how we gonna play this?
The place is well guarded, so there ain't no point in blasting in there.
O lugar é bem
Make 'em
protegido,
think
isso
we're
sim.
there looking to purchase.
3 armed men?
You'd be armed if you were about to spend 5,000 on horses. We should go in the back way, though. Avoid too many questions.
Ah, não. Deixa eu ver aqui, peraí. Essa missão é da hora. A gente vai entrar pelos fundos da fazenda. Isso mesmo.
Careful. There's a guard.
I'll speak to him, okay? man.
Tudo bem então.
Can I help you, gentlemen?
Yeah, we're here to see about some horses.
Horses?
Yeah, we had an appointment with Mr. Braithwaite, I believe.
Yeah, I never heard about any of this.
Our partner wanted to make a significant investment in some stables down here. But perhaps we should look elsewhere.
Well,
Bom, bem, vai até os estábulos.
head on up to the stables.
O John, né, com a conversa
Someone
dele,
will come see you.
meio charlatão, consegue convencer. Se eu atirar. Estamos entrando pelos fundos da fazenda Braithwaite.
That's it. Nice and easy. No need to rush. We don't want to draw any unnecessary attention. Behind you.
On you go. Tranquilo.
All right. I think that's the stable's just up ahead. Heads down, play cool. Head around the front, hitch up there.
Os estábulos, isso mesmo, John.
All right, let's hitch up here. Let me do the talking.
Deve ser 1h da tarde já, ou 2.
Hello there.
Can I help you, boys?
I hope so. Heard you got some horses.
Quer dizer que você tem uns
Always got
cavalos.
horses.
Fine horses, I mean.
I don't get you, friend.
Yeah, you do. Come on.
É,
Why don't you
entendeu?
get out of here? You, Scarface, and your greaser buddy.
Whoa!
I don't like officials.
We
Não
ain't
gosto.
officials.
A gente não é oficiais.
Connoisseurs. Looking to do some
Queremos fazer
breeding.
criação de cavalos.
Come on now, partner.
Vamos, parceiro.
Okay, fine. Follow me. These here's mainly the studs available for purchase or for working. If that's what you're interested in. What is you boys interested in?
We represent a famous stable and stud farm from Saratoga,
Is that so?
unofficially.
Of course. This here's Cerberus. Here you go, boy. Cerberus is a real reliable stud. Fathered many a race winner. This one's Old Faithful. He was a champion, briefly, until he hurt his leg.
Ô, Arthur.
Greaser, huh?
A latino, é?
Bandana's on. Don't need nobody recognizing us.
All right, I'll grab the white one in the middle. You get the other two.
Vamos roubar os cavalos, né?
Relax, boy.
Relaxa, rapaz, calma.
Good boy.
Easy.
Easy now.
Take it easy there. Marston, you're gonna tether him up to Javier's horse. Okay. Javier, you're gonna lead the stallions. Easy there. Whoa. Easy, boy. Marston, you ride point. I'll cover up the back. If there's any problems, we'll regroup at Clemens Cove.
Okay.
Opa, opa, opa.
Let's go, quick!
Vamos rápido, rápido, rápido. Ó, o Arthur foi criado.
What the hell are you doing?
Stop! Stop! You're being robbed!
Fico na retaguarda, vai, vai, vai.
You're gonna die right here.
Caramba, velho.
I think we lost him.
Caramba, hein?
You see any more of them? No, don't think so. All right, let's get these horses to Clarence Cove quick before we run into any more trouble.
Whoa! You okay there, boy?
Shit! One of the stallions is loose. Keep going. I'll get him. Hey. Hey. Yeah.
Vem cá, carinha.
Gotcha. Hey. Come on now.
Ô, desgraçado.
Easy, easy. Yeah. There you go. Hey, hey.
Vem. Vai, caramba.
Yeah.
Hey, Morgan! Over here! Got it! Well done. Clemens Cove's just over there. Come on. Let's get this over with.
Well, that could have gone smoother.
That'll be on my gravestone. Easy.
Peguei garanhão aqui.
You think they look like they're paying $5,000 for horses?
Guess we'll see.
Vamos ver quem é esses compradores.
Giddy up. Come here.
Ah, quem são?
What you boys want?
O que vocês querem?
Heard you was,
Que você
heard you paid good
pagava bem com
prices
os
for
cavalos.
horses.
Oh, we'll buy more or less anything,
Mais
Pop.
ou menos de tudo,
So?
chapa. É mesmo?
Sure, Pop. I'm Clay Davis.
Meu nome é Cray Davis. Esse é meu irmão Criff.
We're twins.
Cray Criff. Olha lá.
John.
John.
Arthur. Javier.
So what are you,
Cray Criff.
Cuban?
Cubano.
No, I don't like Cubans.
That's so.
É
Maybe.
mesmo?
Why, what do you care?
Que te
You
importa?
ain't Cuban.
Você não é cubano.
Maybe I like Cubans.
Ooh, you're funny. He's funny.
Cray Criff,
Ain't funny,
comprador de
Clive.
cavalo.
Clive don't talk. We're twins, but I was born first.
Gêmeos.
Came
Gêmeos.
out all yellow and black, but he's okay.
Sure.
Yeah, I know these horses. They ain't
Não são de
yours,
vocês, né?
but I like you, and I give you $650 for 'em.
$650.
I was told we could get up
Já
to
que podíamos conseguir até
$5,000
$5.000
for
por
it.
eles.
And I was told the moon was made
A
of
lua
lace,
feita de lágrimas.
only it ain't true. not one little bit.
Nenhum canto.
I like you boys, but I ain't got more
Mas
than
não tem mais
700
o
on
que
me.
ser.
You want it?
100
Or you want to
vão
ride
querer, eu
them
vou levar
fellas
eles
into
pra
town,
cidade.
and maybe someone there will hang.
Lá em Forte
Need more
vocês
than that.
vamos precisar de mais.
no
Eu não
more
tenho mais
money,
dinheiro,
Pop.
chapa.
Here, take it or leave it.
Tome, pegar ou largar.
All right.
Alright, sir. Você é um grande idiota, Mark.
Ain't no one around here got $5,000, boys.
Haha.
Nice meeting you.
Em troca de $5.000 receberam
Boys again,
$700.
I hope. Come on, now. Close the gate, Clive.
Força o portão, Cliff. Boa ideia, Marston.
Believe the yarn spun us by one of that Gray family. And imagined we was gonna be wonderfully rich. At the end of it,
No
we
final
felt
de
like
tudo, a gente se
prize
sentiu os
idiots.
reis dos imbecis. Vamos pescar agora, passar o tempo livre. Fizemos a missão principal.
How's about this bait up? Wonder. Yes, you're okay. You're coming with me.
Ô meu filho, não sobe aí não.
You awake?
Fire's good and hot, Mr. Morgan.
You wanna sit, Morgan?
Ó, entregar item solicitado, Xavier.
Here, I picked up some oleander. Is this enough?
Yeah, should be plenty. I'll get working on some more knives later.
Javier.
Yep. Yep. Solo now. Yeah. Eat this, boy.
Ele boy.
Yep.
Tá porra, quase deu coice.
Okay. God damn it! Yep. Easy, girl.
Acho que eu vou vender esse meu cavalo. O Grey Griff. Tem. Vou salvar esse ponto da história. O que tá escrito aqui? Vive a cavalo. Para se vingar dos Braithwaite, Travis Gray pede para que Arthur John Xavier roubem cavalos premiados na mansão Braithwaite, que ele alega conseguir vender por $5.000. No final, valeu só $700.
Oh, thanks, Javier. Morning to you. Hey there. Come on now, Pearson.
Morning, Arthur.
Hey there. Nice to see you, ladies.
Hello. Morning, Arthur.
Morning.
Hi there.
Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Miss Grimshaw.
Vou dormir um pouco. Ou vamos fazer a roupa do Bill?
Mr. Morgan.
A gente foi roubar cavalos. Nossa, a ganância tomou conta da gente. A gente acredita numa história contada pra gente por alguém da família Gray. O patriarca Travis. Um sujeito bem desagradável em uma família bastante desagradável. Devido a gente acreditar que a mulher Braithwaite tinha uns ingressos puro sangue cavalos de guerra árabes, ou que seja, a gente pensou que ia ficar rico mesmo. No final de tudo, a gente se sai sentiu os reis dos imbecis. Então acho que pelo menos alguma coisa a gente ganhou. Fazer essa missão com o Bill.
What are you doing?
Prepping for a robbery. I've had a good run of luck
Eu andei tendo
recently.
sorte.
Robbed a
Tá
house
bom.
up in
Roubei uma
Roanoke
casa
Ridge.
na serra
Robbed
o
a
ano.
couple of drunken soldiers out near the swamps.
And what are you about to do?
Aqui você vai uma carruagem.
Well,
Bem,
good luck.
boa
You want to
sorte.
come with me?
Quer uma
Now, I
companhia?
was going to ask Sean, but he's too much of a
Mas
hot.
ele ia esquentar
What's the
demais.
opportunity?
Qual é a
bank
oportunidade?
statement.
Uma
And without
carruagem
much
de
security. This feller was telling me about it a couple of nights ago when we was drinking. It's gonna be coming right through, and the bank reckons the cost of security ain't worth the risk. Now, there'll be a couple guys, but nothing too serious. and
nada
lots of
demais.
money.
E muito
Easy
dinheiro.
money.
Well, that's always the
Ó, esse é
dream
o
of
sempre o
every
sonho de todo
faith.
ladrão.
Easy money.
Well, like I was saying,
Como
my
eu ia
luck is
dizendo, minha
in
sorte
now.
voltou, Arthur.
Well, then, why not?
Por que
What
não?
you taking?
I think we need a girl. See, I got a plan.
Sabe, eu tenho um
Well, in
plano,
that
garota.
case, Tilly, you free?
Tilly
Got
Jackson,
some
vai.
more?
A outra vez foi com a Mary Beth, com o Sam. Agora a gente vai roubar com o Tilly.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
All right, come on. Let's mount up. Okay, follow me. There's a good spot where we should be able to cut it off northwest of Dewberry Creek.
And you're certain this information's sound, Bill?
Tá certo, Bill.
The Cornwall stage, I want to make
Cornwall,
sure we're
cara,
not riding in another army of guards.
Yes, I'm certain.
So what's the plan?
I was thinking a little womanly
A Tilly vai junto, né?
I figured that much. But what's the story? Route, number of guards, you know, important details?
Just do exactly what I say and you'll be fine, all right?
How about we do exactly what Tilly says? I'd feel a lot safer.
Because I've done all the groundwork on this. Next time she brings in a lead of her own, we'll all bow down, I promise.
I'll remember you said that.
You follow orders, you stay alive. That's what they used to tell me in the army.
That kicked you out of the army.
They did not.
I beg to differ, Marion.
Eu discordo,
Have you
Marion.
been going through my...
Marion é o nome do Bill. Verdadeiro. Ah, roupa o cavalo tá marcado aqui. Revendedor de cavalos. Da hora.
things?
You shouldn't have left it out.
Can you believe this, Morgan? I don't trust her any more than I trust that Kieran boy. I never have. Running with them Foreman boys all them years. She could turn on us any minute.
Just shut your mouth or I'll shut it for you. You have no damn clue.
All right, just take it easy, you two. Get your minds on what matters so we do this right.
Let's cut up through the creek.
Coming past.
Okay.
You know,
Onde nós
this
tá?
was the spot we first picked out for a camp.
The dry riverbed?
Yep.
Who the hell suggested that?
Micah, I believe.
Well, that don't surprise me.
Aí passou o Rio Seco. O Tilly Jackson vai junto. Roubo de carruagem em banco aqui nas regiões.
Okay, here we are. Easy. All right, so the stage should be coming from over there.
Well, you...
Just act dumb and silly and get the thing stopped. You know, like you do.
And what you mean by...
Tilly, faz seu papel.
Come on, don't get all precious and stuck up on me now.
I don't like your manners, Mr. Williamson. In fact, I think you're an obnoxious idiot.
What'd you say to me?
I didn't say enough to you, you useless half-man.
Half-man? Half-man, what does that even mean?
You do stop arguing.
He's...
Carruagem aí.
Here's a goddamn stagecoach. We doing this?
Yes. Come on, both of you, follow.
What's the plan?
There's been a change of plan.
Yes.
Meu Deus!
You act dumb and get...
A Tilly. Bill, seu idiota.
Stop the damn coach now!
Olha a troca da carruagem. Caramba, para, para.
You take the honors, Arthur. Grab the loot from inside.
A honra é minha, né? Eu sou idiota.
Damn, it's locked. You got some explosives?
Sure do. Don't start giving me more crap about that Cornwall train, all right?
Oh, I wouldn't dream of it.
Let's not forget you hooked up the wires, Morgan. How do we know you didn't mess it up? But entirely blameless, of course.
I'll shoot it. Stand back.
That should do it, brother.
Caraca, velho. Matou os cavalos.
We made
Saquear a
a
carruagem.
mess of that.
We stopped it, didn't we?
Yeah, after chasing it all over New
Toda Nova Hanover, como vai saber quem vem?
Got it. Right. Let's split up, get the hell out of here.
Okay, but you owe me my cut. Don't think I'll forget.
I know. Go on.
I'll see you back at camp.
Eu sou idiota. A situação que você me empunhou, cara. Aí fora aqui que essa autoridade chega. Vamos pra Valentine. Não, Valentine é aqui, Cassio. Eu tava indo pra Stranberry.
You okay, boy? Yep. Yeah. Hi there, mister.
Alright, mister. Eu vou tomar um banho, vou ir até ir no hotel. Ai, ai.
Good to see you again, mister. Ready for a clean slate? See you later.
Hello.
Nunca fui nessa igreja também, o que tem?
Excuse me, partner.
Hey, partner.
Então pra entrar na igreja. E aí, xerife? Xerife Malloy, né? Que eu lembro.
Hey, mister. Mister, gone with you. I wanted to check you was still here, friend.
I am. Please, will you do something about this gross miscarriage of justice?
Look, I'd like to, but
Benedito,
what's one little man against the vast machine of government?
Please!
Hey, mister.
I'ma mind my business. I think we had enough of your crap. Why don't you make tracks? My word's the darn law around here.
Hey, partner.
Ó o xerife Malloy.
Hello there. Best of
Oh, hell, the missus has me out hunting damn near every day, wants to sell enough hides to send the kids.
Welcome back, sir. Have a look around. Ain't no other outfit beats their prices. I'll let you look around some more.
I don't want to see any more trouble from you.
Damn near beat the whole town in a drinking contest.
Gracious.
Vamos descansar aqui, tomar um banho.
Hello, welcome.
Can I get a hot bath, please?
Hello.
I got someone warming it up for you already. Just head down the corridor there.
How'd you like some help in here?
Oh, sounds good, yeah.
É os
Thanks.
50 cents, vamos lá.
Sit back and relax, hon. Let me know if I'm scrubbing too hard, okay? Hope the water's hot enough.
So, how's it going with you?
Fine, thank you.
I do not like getting older.
Yes, indeed.
You
Não
must
tem
get
opção de
some
pegar a
bad
garota,
men in
né?
here.
That's how it goes around here.
You seem like a clever girl.
Oh, you are too sweet.
Tinha que ter legenda nessa parte do jogo, eu acho.
Doesn't get much better than this, right? Okay, Maybe we'll cross paths again.
Thought by the time I turned this old, I'd be happy. People in Valentine been getting under my skin.
Thanks, mister. Let's go, boy.
Já até sei quem eu vou fazer uma visita.
Out of the damn way!
Strawberry. Ah, tem que fazer a missão da Margaret ainda. Tem que procurar a bússola pro Sr. Pearson, é verdade. O cavalo tá sujo.
Whoa, whoa!
Aqui nós tá numa fazenda, fazendo coisa lá, esqueci o nome. Totalmente abandonada, né? Vamos criar essa cafeteira nova. Ai, ai. Vamos ver ela aqui. Servir-se. Ai, ai. Ai, ai, vamos lá. Faca de arremesso. Aplicar um pouco de oleandro. Vamos dormir arreado do dia. Viagem rápida. Stoneberry. Primeira vez, uma das primeiras vezes que eu tô fazendo viagem rápida, eu acho. Outro roubo de carruagem tem aqui. Eu quero conhecer uma velha conhecida aqui. Não. 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 Ah, Watson, acabando Watson.
Yep. Easy.
Good morning.
Easy there.
Que é isso aqui? Carcaça de pardal. Acharam outra carta. No primeiro encontro eu vim aqui. Achei uma carta aqui.
Come on, pal. Yeah.
Hey, stop there! Don't move!
Ah, vou ter que matar eles.
Still as stone or you get a bullet. Afraid we're robbing all the folks come through these parts.
Ah, adivinha quem são? O Driscoll. Uma emboscada, né?
Yep.
E que você usou o Driscoll, né? Tudo que vocês roubaram o homem errado. Vamos ver o que a senhora Watson fez. A última visita eu roubei as coisas dela nessa cabana. Eu lembro.
Slow up now.
I don't know who's dumber, you, Ethan, Edgar, or Ezra.
Keep telling you, Ma. We'll get you a new place. Anything you want. Ain't like we're short on money.
I don't want a new place. I got everything. Hey, right here. How many times, Elijah? Shut your mouth before I shut it for you.
Vamos ver, tocar aqui.
We got a visitor.
You can cross these four off that list.
You! Yeah!
Now stay there!
Fica quietinho aí.
Calm down, lady.
You dumb bastard!
This is very kind of you.
Matei seus 4 filhos. Opa, senhora, calma.
Are you cracked in the head? I'll kill you!
Ah, vai matar sim, vai, vai. Dinheiro. Ponha um dos seus filhos aqui. Pera aí, deixa eu pegar um. Deixa eu pegar o outro aqui. São 4 marmanjos. Vocês atiraram em mim. Isso aqui é legal, galera, os eventos aleatórios. Bom.
Here we go.
Oh, tá chovendo.
Nice meeting you.
Bolsa de moedas. Eu vou deixar ela viva pra vocês verem o que acontece.
Hey, boy.
Aqui é a casa dos Watson. Tem um pancaré do caramba. Vem aqui, ô seu idiota. Eu preciso de você, vem.
Yep.
Ô cavalo idiota. Nossa. Vou libertá-lo, hein. E sai correndo, deixa ela.
Gotta go, boy. Yep.
Ô, seu idiota!
Come on.
Corre, corre.
Yeah.
Ela não tá achando mais não, deixa ela lá. Esse jogo também ser realista atrapalha. Puta que pariu, viu?
Yep.
Já estamos bem longe, né? Ai, quero voltar pro acampamento. Peraí. Viagem rápida. Vou voltar pra galera. Vamos lá. Nossa, o cabelo do Arthur cresceu e muito, hein?
Always good to see you.
Ladies?
Hi, Arthur.
Okay, Mr. Morgan.
Onde tá vindo esse som? Ah, tio Uncle.
Impressive. You okay?
Hello, Arthur.
What you up to?
Nothing much.
Vamos jogar um poker só pra distrair. E aí eu vou desligar a live. Como sempre. Ó, quem diria o John trabalhando.
Who's gonna join me for poker?
Okay. Now this is a good group of players we got here.
All right then.
I'll call.
Call. Well, ain't you excited?
Ô, call.
Looking all right here. Looking to make some money.
I reckon you're full of shit. Well, this is real fun.
Miss Grimshaw?
How about we do this?
No.
There you go. Takers?
O John vai apostar
Gonna
tudo.
lose all that right quick.
We got ourselves a real player.
Well, here goes nothing. What'd you think, boys?
Ooh, that's smart.
I love this game!
Damn, stacked real good for you.
About damn time.
O John ganha do Uncle.
Barely started playing.
Till the next one, huh?
So, Marston, what's this I hear about you wanting to be a rancher one day?
That's Abigail's dream, not
Ah,
mine.
não, meu. Ah, o Márcio conhece.
We're supposed to be retiring, ain't we?
But you can't herd cattle for loving her money.
Well, I'll learn.
I'd like to see that. Okay.
Ei, Márcio, que história é essa, rancheiro?
I'll check.
Olha o Arthur contando, eles conversando. E ele vai ser no futuro.
Nah.
Here, just a little.
All right.
The hell is that?
Try this out.
I know. It ain't too exciting.
Huh.
Call.
How's this look?
I ain't got nothing too impressive. No.
Not bad, not bad.
O John tá com sorte. Puta que pariu, cagado. Ai, ai.
Any of you run into that one-legged beggar in Rhodes? Says he's a war vet. Well. Sure.
For me, fold.
I'm in.
All right, coming through.
I call bull.
Nossa, eles vão apostar tudo.
Oh, I'm all in. Does this look good? Cause it feels good.
O John desistiu. O Lenny tava...
You know,
com a mão boa.
I almost forgotten Kieran wasn't O'Driscoll.
Yeah, yeah. Check.
Okay.
I think... No way, you're bluffing.
Okay. Let's settle this.
Man, I got lucky.
Ganhei!
You know
Ah!
you don't deserve that.
That's as it should be. Come here.
Finalmente.
At last.
Well, look at you. Here.
É.
That's it for now.
Oh, careful. Don't go crazy.
Not this one.
Check, I think.
There's playing safe, and there's sleeping through it, you know?
I'ma play slow.
Learning how to play.
See ya.
How's this stack up?
Yes,
Oh.
that's it. You won with that trash?
All right.
Eu não ganhei nada. Toma no cu, cara. Eu tenho que ganhar uma muleta da sorte.
No. Ah, that's a shame.
Just be quiet.
Okay then. Fair enough.
I'm a call.
All right, just this.
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
Always.
There.
That's what I got.
Oh, you must have a really good hand.
Here.
Good joke, huh?
Yeah, yes!
Well, you son of a...
Yes!
You need it. Yes.
Come on. Let's keep this up. I'm a check. I'll see you.
That'll do.
That's all you got for us?
How about this?
Look at you.
Down to just us. Again.
Ah, no.
Okay.
Ridiculous.
Oh no.
You can't win with that.
All right, here's the corner.
Lucky.
I'm going easy. Here.
You want to work on your bluff.
I'll check.
Don't mind me.
This is... damn.
Looking to make some money.
Hey, come on, let's not push this, huh?
Wow, Lenny vai apostar
Take a
tudo.
look.
Don't even bother looking.
Oh, I was this
Oh,
close.
that is beautiful.
Oh, come on.
It's not luck when you play for it, fellas. From good to better. Yes, indeed.
Ah, come on.
Call.
I'm gonna fold.
Jack,
Okay.
I'm drunk and you think we are, man.
Oh, well.
Oh, ho. That's more like it.
Cara, nunca acaba.
All right. Back in.
All right. I'll give you that one.
Quero ganhar pelo menos um roubo de cavalo que você ajudou eu, John.
What you so scared of? You lot are fun.
Here. That's it for now.
I'll
The
see
hell
you.
is that?
Nah.
Playing close to the chest, huh?
So, okay.
This any good? Think it might be.
That's all I got. Damn. Guess I better be heading
Ah,
off.
vou desistir. Eu tenho a próxima parte. Eu acho que eu vou ganhar um amuleto da sorte. Descansar um pouco pra ver.
Hey, get up.
I'm going back to sleep.
Bom, galera, eu acho que eu vou terminar por aqui. A gente continua na próxima parte, beleza? Se eu salvar o jogo, a gente continua na próxima parte. Hoje foi mais roubo a cavalo mesmo. Fazer umas explorações em volta do mapa. Vamos na cabana Watson. Na próxima parte a gente vai fazer essa missão do Micah. E depois vou fazer a missão da Margarete, do circo. Então é isso aí, galera. Peço para mais uma vez, deixa o like, não custa nada. Participe da comunidade de suporte. A gente se vê na